Okay, so in this video we're basically going to show how to do different types of functions with matrices. And matrices are essentially these types of 2D arrays, and you can do a lot of different functions with these. You can multiply the matrices, you can add them, you can subtract them, you can divide them. Basically any sort of math function you can apply to these matrices. So if you're doing three different ones, you can have a mat A and you put three sets of matrices like this with different values. Then for B, you'll do the same thing with different values. And C, in my case, is basically where the values of whatever function I'm going to apply to these will be stored. So here I'm just saying that it's going to return the array in the answers, and here's my function. So basically mat C will equal 2 times A, which we'll get into how to do that later, and then B, and then A again. So again, going back to this, so this is a scalar multiple. So we're basically going to multiply all of these by 2, and then combine them with B and A again. So right here we have that, and then we're going to add them together with this function right here. And then again, mat C is going to store all the information here, and then we're returning it. And basically what the return function does is it's going to display all these values down there inside of mat C, and then put them in the terminal. And again, this is just shows another how the scalar function's made. So it'll double scale, so we're doing it times 2, and then put it in the mat A, which is the 2A plus B plus A. And again, mat C, I and J, and I or J are just representing the two different variables A and B. And then so you can see the scalar times mat A, those two. So we'll test this out. As you can see, it showed the whole function here, and it did these values and displayed them at the bottom, which is why we did a return function. Yep.